Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the HYTE Y70 Touch, a case that's not just about housing your components, but about making a statement. This isn't your average mid-tower. It's a showcase, a canvas, and a technological marvel all rolled into one. The first thing that grabs you is the integrated 14.9-inch LCD touchscreen. Forget small. This display boasts a crisp 2.5K resolution and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. It's not just for show either. The 10-point multi-touch capability makes interacting with your system a breeze. HYTE's Nexus software unlocks extensive customization, allowing you to display system stats, custom artwork, or even interactive widgets. And compared to previous iterations, this panel is significantly brighter, making everything pop. Aesthetically, the Y70 Touch is stunning. The three-piece panoramic glass offers an unobstructed view of your components, while the dual-chamber design keeps things clean and organized. It's available in several colorways to match your personal style. The review unit is the pitch black version, which looks sleek and sophisticated. For those rocking a high-end graphics card, the Y70 Touch has you covered. It features a massive 4-slot vertical GPU mount and includes a color-match PCIe 4.0x 16 riser cable. This ensures your graphics card is not only displayed prominently, but also performs at its best. The color-match canopy on the riser is a nice touch, maintaining the case's clean lines. Cooling is paramount, and the Y70 Touch doesn't disappoint. It supports up to a 360mm radiator on the side, with a generous 125mm of thickness and another adjustable 360mm radiator on top, up to 68mm thick. The innovative cold floor cooling design allows for either three 120mm or two 140mm fans at the bottom, ensuring optimal airflow to your components. You can fit fans up to 32mm thick down below. The build quality is excellent, as expected from HYTE. The materials feel premium, and the attention to detail is evident throughout. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the well-thought-out layout and ample routing options. The HYTE Y70 Touch is more than just a case. It's a centerpiece. The integrated touchscreen is a game-changer, offering unparalleled customization and control. The spacious interior, excellent cooling support, and stunning aesthetics make it a top contender for anyone looking to build a high-end PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.